welcome back everybody. We're coming today with a quick little video, a little update video. And it's going to be an update to the 0 to 60 video for the KLX300 here. Pretty popular video on my channel. But what's different in this video is we have a few mods done, as well as we are fully broken in. That dude was in a freaking Can-Am X3, it looked like. Just ripping down the road. So yeah, we were fully broken in. I can't remember exactly how many miles we were at last time, but I want to say it was before the break-in period. And also in terms of the mods, we have the, let me come over to the other side of the bike here. We have our slip-on exhaust, so no header, but slip-on Yoshimura exhaust. We have our EJK here. The EJK fuel controller, and we also have the KDX snorkel on the bike, which is just a little bit less restricted snorkel on there, so it gets a little bit more air. And I'm running the exact tune on the EJK website that they have listed for a bike with exhaust and the KDX snorkel on there. So they actually have a tune that was recommended for those upgrades. Now let me know if you guys found like a really good tune you like, if you have a similar setup as me and you found a tune that is better than that recommended tune. I haven't really messed around with that at all, so let me know in the comments if y'all have. But yeah, let's find some flat road here and do a couple runs. So I'll do my 3 or 4 runs, and I'll just edit in the times after. And I actually did a video like I was talking about when the bike was completely stock, so it'll be interesting to see whether or not we get any gains or 0 to 60 times or any quicker. So let's go ahead and check it out. And one more disclaimer, I know when to frickin' shift the bike. I got a bunch of different comments on the last one saying I was shifting too early, blah, 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 blah. Okay, I'm not a goon. I'm on the bike, y'all aren't. I know when to shift. I know when the bike is no longer pulling in a gear. So I don't want none of that. I'm sure I'll still get some, but all right, let's do our first run here. Got a little open road. And for my last video, it seemed like the best runs were when we started in first gear, but I'll do 2 to 3 runs starting in first gear and then 1 or 2 runs starting in second gear, just to see what the difference is. All right, here we are, first run, first gear. That felt pretty good, but then again, so did the last ones that I got on in the editing. I was like, oh, that ain't too great, but yeah, we'll just have to see. All right, second run, first gear again. 3, 2, 1. Got a little handful on that one. Second run, first gears again. All right, let's do 1 more first gear and 1 more second gear. Let's see. All right, let's get a second gear. Third run, second gear. All right. Let's do 1 more first gear run, 1 more second gear run, and call it a day. Here's the first gear. I don't know, definitely feels faster now, but we'll have to look at the times to see for sure. I'm definitely excited to see how big of a difference, if any, we're making. All right, last run in second gear. I don't know, that one didn't feel amazing, but I don't know, that last one didn't feel amazing, but I'm gonna go ahead home, edit the videos together, run the numbers, and we'll check them out. So I hope this video provided some good information, hopefully. And if y'all enjoyed, be sure to leave a like on this video and also subscribe. We're always coming out with more KLX300 dual sport content. But appreciate y'all watching, and I'll see y'all in the next one.